We are on the way to the XIAMEN North Railway Station. It's a beautiful, big station here in XIAMEN. And we're already inside. And we're going to walk. Well, it's going to be a far walk because most of the railway stations are really huge. And look at it, massive. Yes, all the railway stations in China are all very huge, and they can accommodate so many toys and Chinese. So you just have to follow the signs, and you have to know which gate you're going to be waiting. Like in our case, we check the screen. We will be waiting there at 11A, which is supposed to be on your ticket. And when you buy tickets, I suggest you just go through trip.com, and everything will be all the informations will be given to you, which you don't actually need an actual ticket. Just you just have to squeeze your passport every time you enter. So right now we're going to start entering after waiting there in the chairs, which are very very nice and comfortable. And normally the gates, they open 15 minutes before. Like, look at that, we're leaving at 2 p.m. Now the only thing is, if you are late, then it's goodbye. You just have to buy another new ticket. There's not going to be any refund, because everything here is they leave exact time. So like there, that's number 7. That means to say we're going to be on the carriage number 7, and we already have to fall in line, because as soon as the fast train arrives, we can already be entering instead of rushing, because only 15 minutes is given to all the passengers to enter. Okay, and we had to change from one carriage to another. That's why we had to rush, because we need to put our bags, secure them properly, because it's going to be a long travel from XIAMEN to Guangzhou. It's how many hours, Berna? 3 hours and a half, or just 3 hours, Berna? How long? 3. Oh, according to Berna, 3.5. So the train is already leaving, and we have enough space, as you can see from the feet. We have enough space. But if you want more space, you can book the business class or the first class. So 3 hours is already done, and we are already doing our exit on the train. And normally you just have to follow the signs going to the exit lines. So again, you need to squeeze again your passport in those machines so you can get out. Now, if ever you have a problem with the passport, you can go to the information. There you see the bullet train, and now we have to grab a taxi, but we're trying to look for a place to eat there. E-hailing. E-hailing means that's where you get the DD. So we chose Yoshinoya to make it different, because we always eat Chinese. So this time we'll be having a nice Japanese, very cheap Japanese food. Yes, it's fast food here but me, I decided to get the eel, and Berna, it's the regular beef with onions, and that's how it looks on the photo. So after that quick early dinner, here comes our Didi. It says, build your dreams. It's the same thing as our car in Manila. So by the way, there's so many ways of getting a DD. If you want the cheapest, you just the ordinary. But we always book the premier, especially when it's just a short travel. Soon, we will be reaching our hotel, and we're already here. And it's called Mercure Tianhe. So this place is near a sports center. If you need to exercise, they have a big sports center in that place or in this district called Tianhe. And there's also many malls. And there's Berna already in the lobby. So now, because video is very fast, we're going to have now a tour of the room. Well, we are Diamond members, but they don't really have a suite room here. And because it's just maybe a 3-star hotel, so this is the hotel. This is the kind of room they give us. It's good enough as long as it's clean, and we have a nice view of the sports center with the backdrop of the buildings just at the back. So maybe tonight we will do some walking after relaxing in the hotel, and we're just right across the famous Ascot. Okay, like what I said, the room's small but clean toilet, as you can see. For me, it's good enough. So it's time out. It's time for me to chill here at the Mercure Hotel.